Oh, fucking. I got a Ruckus. And it fucking. Don't try to start it because I have the. Basically, it's a Ruckus clone. And we put fucking new gas. Got some oil in there. I cleaned the car. And it's still not fucking starting. Forget it, bud.
So you want to go downtown, or what are we doing?
Yeah, I'm down.
Probably, we are going left then, right? Or taking, or we're taking Central. We can take Central too, I guess.
Visceral.
Feels good to be back on the bike. This winter didn't really even feel that long. The shit like kind of went by quick, but like also it's not even over. Like it's gonna be cold tomorrow. Think you're slick, bro?
Oh shit! I ran over something.
Hopefully not something that's gonna pop your tire.
That's the bottom.
This shit looks good. Come back out. Come back out. Come out. I'll let you out. I'll let you out. I'll let you out. I'll let you out. Come out right here. Oh shit! Come out right here. Come out right here.
I've been getting air lately. Chris was saying I fucking hit these certain jumps.
You've been getting air? What do you mean?
You'll see when you're driving.
But your Chris wishes he was here.
He'll probably meet up with us once he gets out.
Maybe.
One time he only riding, so I was like, I'll be driving.
It's gonna be raining at one point at like 7 or some shit.
Hell no.
Yeah, it is.
Hell no.
That's what the weather report says.
I'm lying to you.
I mean, we'll see. I did not expect that shit. Oh, you did it again! Bro, that was like a bunny hop. That looked crazy. But no, we can't blow the yellow, right? Fucking stinks over here.
Yeah, it's not bad. That was you.
Fucking shit myself. Are you going straight still?
Yeah.
Alright, I was wondering, because... He wants to go.
Hey, what's the stunners?
You saw a bunch?
Yeah.
This guy wants to race, but there's nowhere to go. Do we just pull on the sidewalk up here? Again?
So we did last time.
Yeah. Oh, there's a little bit of glass and shit.
We went to the second one last time. You want to try the first one maybe? Or we're on the same one maybe?
Doesn't matter to me.
When you fuck, my food's gonna blow away. We just got some tacos.
Wheelie boys are back at it. Except me. Maybe. Oh, it's starting to rain. I felt raindrops. It's starting to rain. It's so little though.
Oh shit, I see it. I see it's raining on you.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh no.
And right now it's gonna be getting slippery now because it just started raining. Oh!
Did he hit that person?
No. But he, I don't think he hit him. Nah.
Look at the window.
Did he?
Look at the window, he's bent in. Yeah, what?
Did you hit that guy or no? Oh, you did? Fuck.
Yeah.
You did hit him.